Good morning students, welcome to Engineering Maths Guru. So students, in this channel you will be observing a session based on engineering maths syllabus entire overview. So students, I have brought for you a particular session in which we will be discussing the entire syllabus in very quick time. So stay tuned. So today's session is about syllabus overview for engineering mathematics GATE 2025, and you are on my channel Engineering Maths Guru. Just a moment. So students, this is the brief introduction about me. Students, my name is Ankit Joshi and I have been teaching in this domain since many years, and my subjects of interest, as you can see here, are engineering maths, signals and system, and analog circuits. So students, on this channel Engineering Maths Guru, we will be starting a series targeting GATE 2025 and particularly engineering mathematics. So stay tuned. So I am having a teaching experience of more than 22 years. And I have taught more than 50,000 students across the country on online and offline platforms. So students, after attending my class, if you are feeling certain doubts, if you are having some doubts, if you want to know some more information regarding any of the exam, so all the informations will be shared on this Telegram group. So this Telegram group is dedicated for Engineering Maths Guru students. And students, I will be giving you a daily dose of how to improve the concepts, how to improve your confidence level for your exam. If I feel there are certain important questions that I will share on this Telegram group. Notifications of the upcoming classes will be shared on this group. Classroom PDFs and notes will also be shared here. You can just ask your doubts on this Telegram group. So let's proceed. तो स्टूडेंट्स, संकल्प 2025 ये पर्टिकुलर उस कोर्स का नाम है जो हमने हमारी ऐप के ऊपर लॉन्च किया है, जो आज रात 9 बजे शुरू होने वाला है. तो स्टूडेंट, आज रात को 9 बजे से हमारे संकल्प 2025 बैच शुरू हो रही है. पहला क्लास रात को 9 बजे लाइव आएगा. कोर्स फ़ी के बारे में अगर बोलूँ तो अभी 40% के आसपास डिस्काउंट चल रहा है. 1500 रुपीज़ में ये कोर्स आपको मिल पाएगा. इस कोर्स के फीचर्स क्या होंगे वो हम अभी अपकमिंग डिस्कस करेंगे. फटाफट में क्विकली बता देता हूँ आपको कि 6 नवंबर यानी कि आज रात को 9 बजे हम ये बैच शुरू करने वाले हैं. तो आपको क्या करना होगा, आपको प्ले स्टोर में जाना है. प्ले स्टोर में जाकर अंकित जोशीज मैथ्स मंथन सर्च करना है. वहाँ पर हमारा ऐप आ जाएगा, उस ऐप को डाउनलोड कर लीजिए. यू विल गेट दिस कोर्स. क्लिक कर लीजिए, सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको वहाँ पर भी मिल जाएगी. और इफ़ यू फील then you just buy out this course. So let us proceed. तो स्टूडेंट्स, संकल्प 2025 क्या है? दिस इज ए कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कोर्स डेडिकेटेडली डिजाइंड टू मास्टर इंजीनियरिंग मैथ्स फॉर गेट. आई विल बी द फैकल्टी देयर. यस, पूरा का पूरा मैथ्स, इंजीनियरिंग मैथ्स आई विल बी टेकिंग केयर. माई टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस इज मोर देन 22 ईयर्स. बैच स्टार्टिंग डेट इज 6 नवंबर यानी कि आज रात को 9 बजे. कोर्स का ड्यूरेशन जो होगा वो ऑलमोस्ट 45 डेज टू 60 डेज होगा, पर कोर्स वैलिडिटी विल बी अप टू 31 मार्च. 5 महीने का वैलिडिटी आपको मिलता है यहाँ पर. ठीक है. What are the further highlights? Highlights of this course: 90 plus hours of live class daily, 2 hours dose. You will get live class daily. और अगर आपका कुछ पोर्शन छूट जाता है, आपका नोट्स बनाना रह जाता है, कोई डाउट आती है, आप फिर से सेशन देखना चाहते हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग्स विल बी अवेलेबल ऑफ द लाइव क्लासेस. लाइव क्लास का वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग भी अवेलेबल होगा. क्लास नोट्स पीडीएफ ऐप पर भी आपको मिल जाएगा और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पर भी हम शेयर कर देंगे. दैट टेलीग्राम ग्रुप विल बी डेडिकेटेड ओनली फॉर द पेड कोर्स स्टूडेंट्स. यू विल गेट चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट एज वेल. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट भी मिल जाएंगे आपको, और separately on your demand we can arrange doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so students, this is the entire theme of this course. फिर से एक बार आपको दिखा देते हैं. संकल्प 2025, this is a comprehensive course that we will have for GATE 2025, focusing on focused course on engineering mathematics. तो इसके सारे की फीचर्स आपको बताए. आज रात को 9 बजे कोर्स स्टार्ट होने वाला है. 2 महीने ये कोर्स चलेगा. 90 प्लस आवर्स के क्लासेस मिलेंगे आपको. वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ द लेक्चर्स विल ऑल्सो बी अवेलेबल. क्लास नोट्स पीडीएफ विल बी अवेलेबल. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट एंड डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस विल बी देयर. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इंजीनियरिंग मैथ्स का कंटेंट में क्या क्या हो सकता है, व्हाट विल बी द कंटेंट इन इंजीनियरिंग मैथ्स. सो द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक इज लीनियर अलजेब्रा, जिसको आप मैट्रिक्स एंड डिटर्मिनेंट कहते हैं. तो लीनियर अलजेब्रा में क्या क्या कंटेंट होने वाले हैं. लीनियर अलजेब्रा में हम फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ लीनियर अलजेब्रा की बात करेंगे, एंड विच ऑल टॉपिक्स यू विल कवर हियर सर इन दिस हेडिंग. सो फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ लीनियर अलजेब्रा कवर्स द बेसिक डेफिनेशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स की बात करेंगे तो रो मैट्रिक्स, कॉलम मैट्रिक्स, स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स, रेक्टेंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. वेरियस टर्म्स की बात करेंगे तो प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल क्या होता है, डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स क्या होते हैं, leading elements, and what is called as off diagonal elements. Then you will come across the terms like diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, unit matrix. फिर power matrix की terms आएगी, involutory matrix, idempotent matrix, nilpotent matrix. So these are the various terms you will come across in this session, and of course the real matrix and complex matrix, the definition for real and complex matrix. Second part is real and complex matrix. Here you will see the classification of real matrix and classification of complex matrix. As you know that the real matrix are of 3 types: symmetric, skew symmetric, and orthogonal. Complex matrix are again classified into 3 categories: Hermitian matrix, skew Hermitian matrix, and of course the unitary matrix. And apart from this, you will see the various questions associated with this, and moreover you will get the various properties of these matrices. Then you will learn rank of matrix. So the meaning of rank of matrix, there are 2 methods to calculate rank. One is the Euclidean form method, that is also known as elementary transformation method. Another method is minor method. So you will learn here both the methods. You will also learn the concept of linearly independent and linearly dependent vectors. So then you will come across system of linear equations. So generally you denote a system of linear equation by this equation, Ax equal to b. Now depending on the b, if this b is a non-zero matrix, non-null matrix, then that system will be called as non-homogeneous system. And when this b is a null matrix, it will be called as what? It will be called as homogeneous system. So for a non-homogeneous system, the solution analysis means consistency check. You will get 3 kinds of solution: unique solution, infinite solution, and of course the no solutions case. And if you are having a homogeneous system, that is the right hand side is 0, in that case you will be getting trivial and non-trivial solutions. So we will go through all these concepts. Then we will cover the concepts of eigenvalues and eigenvector, of course starting with the very important concept of invariant vector. So I will let you learn the concept of invariant vector. Then we will go through eigenvalues, its definition, its various properties. Then we will learn how to calculate eigenvectors. We are calculating eigenvectors by 2 different methods for repeated eigenvalues and non-repeated eigenvalues. And then we will learn a very important application of eigenvalues, that is Cayley-Hamilton theorem. And this particular topic, LU decomposition, nowadays this is relevant only and only for computer science students, computer science and I guess AI and data science students. I request all of you who are online here to share the link in all your contacts so that they should not miss out this important session. Here we are discussing a syllabus overview of GATE 2025 Engineering Mathematics, and I, your teacher engineering, I, your teacher Ankit Joshi, teaching engineering maths for GATE 2025 on this YouTube channel as well as on my app Ankit Joshi's Maths Manthan. So the very first very important topic for your GATE 2025 is linear algebra, and this linear algebra covers all these topics. Then comes the second very important chapter, that is probability. Actually probability comes with probability and statistics, so we separated the topics of statistics. First of all, we'll go through the probability content. Probability covers various topics. Number one is the various terms associated with probability theory. So various terms associated with probability theory, this you would have learnt in 10th standard as well, 9th standard as well. What are those terms? Sir, sample space, favorable event, success, failure, and all such related terms. But here you will also learn random variable, its types, random experiment, the meaning of random experiment, everything you will learn here. So random variables are of two types, discrete random variable and continuous random variable. Then you will learn the meaning of probability distribution. What is the meaning of probability distribution? Calculating probabilities for all possible values of random variable and then arranging them together. That arrangement is called as probability distribution. So you are having two types of probability distribution, discrete probability distribution and continuous probability distribution. On what basis this classification is done? Bacha log, whether your random variable is discrete or continuous. If the random variable is discrete, then the corresponding probability distribution will be discrete probability distribution, and if the random variable is continuous, then that corresponding probability distribution will be CPD, continuous probability distribution. Further, you will learn the various types of discrete probability distribution. So various types of discrete probability distribution includes what? Number one, general discrete probability distribution. Number two, binomial distribution. Number three, hypergeometric. Number four, Poisson's distribution. So these are the various discrete probability distribution that you will come across here. Okay, and I will also give you a gist of geometric distribution as well. So all my dear students, when I talk about Bernoulli's trial, then you are going to apply binomial distribution. When I talk about non-Bernoulli's trial, you can go for hypergeometric distribution. Yes. So I will give you the detailed theory, detailed concept in the upcoming classes. Continuous probability distribution are also 5 types. Number one is general continuous probability distribution. Here you will learn the general idea of probability distribution in case of continuous random variable. Then we will learn very important probability distributions like uniform and exponential probability distribution. Then we will move towards normal distribution and abnormal distribution, normal distribution and yes, standard normal distribution. So yes, I want you to involve in the communication. Just involve yourself in the comment box. Yes. Chaliye, let's move ahead. So types of events. Types of events are mutually dependent, mutually independent, collectively exhaustive, and yes, of course, mutually exclusive. So we will learn the probability calculations related with types of events. Total probability and Bayes theorem. So with the help of some very funny story, you are going to learn total probability and Bayes theorem. Moving to the next, probability and then related statistics. So in your syllabus you can find a heading named as regression analysis. When you go for regression analysis, it covers correlation and regression. Students, in your semester maths you would have learned correlation. There are two types of correlation. One is the Karl Pearson's coefficient and another is the Spearman's coefficient. Spearman's coefficient is rank correlation coefficient, which is not there in your GATE syllabus. So only coefficient of correlation, that is called as Karl Pearson's coefficient, will be covered here. There are two lines of regression. One is the regression line of y on x, another is the regression line of x on y. So when I teach you regression analysis, I will give you the expression for the two lines, regression line of y on x, regression line of x on y. I will also provide you the expression for angle between two lines, and yes, of course, we will relate the regression concept with the correlation. Then fitting of curves and finite differences. This is relevant for civil engineering only. So fitting of curves here means what? they will give you a statistical data, they will give you a set of equally spaced data. Using that data, we will find the various arbitrary constants present in a given equation. So that process is known as fitting of curves. The method used here is known as least square method. Then we go for finite differences. Here you will learn four new operators: forward difference operator, backward difference operator, forward shift operator, and backward shift operator. And of course you will learn the concept of numerical differentiation and numerical interpolation using Newton's Gregory formulae. Of course we will find out the missing term with the formula of Lagrange's interpolation. So finite differences cover all these concepts, but of course these two topics are relevant only and only for civil, whereas the first one is relevant for all branches. Then comes calculus. Calculus बहुत बड़ा topic है. In this lengthy topic you will come across a lot many terms. So there are certain topics that is a revision from your 12th standard calculus. So limits, continuity and differentiability will cover as the first part. A special case of limits, that is indeterminate forms. There are 7 indeterminate forms we will cover here in indeterminate forms. Mean value theorems, there are three mean value theorems. Rolle's theorem, sometimes it is also called as Rolle's theorem. Then Lagrange's mean value theorem, LMVT, Lagrange's mean value theorem, LMVT, and Cauchy's mean value theorem. So all this we will be covering here. Maxima and minima for the function of single independent variable we will discuss here. Taylor's theorem and Maclaurin series expansion for single independent variable we will discuss here. Definite integrals along with their 8 special properties, learn here. Gamma and beta function, this is the Ramdev Baba, Patanjali of definite integrals. So whenever you are stuck up, this gamma and beta function can help you and take you out of those troubles that you will learn here. Applications of definite integrals involving calculation of area, calculation of volume, calculation of surface area. Surface area and volume calculation will be done for solid of revolutions. What is the meaning of solid of revolution? Everything will be discussed here. And you will also learn how to calculate the length of a curve. Then you will come across multivariable calculus, that is partial differentiation. Partial differentiation followed by the similar topics of partial differentiation, Euler's theorem, applicable only and only for homogeneous function. Along with this Euler's theorem, I will give you 2 more corollaries: total derivatives, Jacobians, everything will be covered here. Again you can see maxima and minima, but this time maxima and minima for multivariable, for the function of more than one independent variable. Multiple integrals includes double integral and triple integral. In triple integrals you will learn 2 different varieties of questions. I will teach you in the class itself. For double integrals we have 4 types. One is the direct form, then we have change of order, then we have polar form, then we have region based double integrals. So 4 different forms of multiple integrals, all will be covered here. Then the very important applications of multiple integrals, area and volume will be covered here. Area and volume will be calculated using double integral and triple integral. And students, in my semester days, in my college days, I have also learnt 2 more topics, that is center of gravity and mass of the plate, which are ruled out in the syllabus of GATE, that will not cover here. So vector calculus. Vector calculus basically covers 3 areas. Number 1, vector calculus covers 3 areas. Number 1 is the vector algebra. Number 2 is vector differentiation, and number 3 is vector integration. In vector algebra, you will learn dot product and cross product and linearly dependent and linearly independent vectors. Of course, you will learn scalar triple product and its application involving volume of tetrahedron, volume of parallelepiped and similar concepts. Further, you will learn del operator. So del operator is a vector operator which is used to calculate gradient, divergence and curl. Gradient, divergence and curl, they are the topics from vector differentiation. So gradient is directly associated with directional derivative, divergence is associated with solenoidal fields, and this curl is associated with scalar potential and irrotational fields. Then you will come across 3 types of vector integrations: line, surface and volume integrals. Line integral calculate करने के लिए you have a special theorem known as Green's theorem. Divergence theorem basically converts a closed surface integral into a volume integral. An important part here. Divergence theorem is also known as Gauss divergence theorem, and Stokes theorem converts a closed line integral into surface integral. So all topics of vector calculus are going to be covered here. Next, differential equations. There are again many. So you will learn the definition of differential equation, then you will learn the types of differential equation. There are basically two types: ordinary differential equation, what is called as simple differential equation, and one more, that is called as partial differential equation. Then you will learn formation of differential equation, which is not relevant for basically the syllabus of GATE, and order and degree of differential equation. It's a very simple part. So all these things you would have already covered in your 12th standard journey. First order differential equations, here you will cover four types: variable separable form, homogeneous differential equation, linear differential equation, exact form, and of course their reducible formats. We will not be covering the reducible format of homogeneous differential equation because it is very lengthy and not the part of GATE syllabus. Higher order linear differential equations, this type of linear differential equations will have the solution of the type CF plus PI. CF stands for complementary function, PI stands for particular integral. We will learn methods to find CF and PI. One method is 6 basic cases, another method is variation of parameters. Then these two are variable coefficient LD, variable coefficient linear differential equation, Cauchy's form and Legender's form. Then we will move towards partial differential equation. Partial differential equation covers first order linear and first order non-linear. First order linear partial differential equation, first order non-linear partial differential equation. In second order differential equation, first of all we will learn the type identification. Based on the value of b square minus 4ac, we will decide whether the second order PDE, whether the second order partial differential equation is elliptical, parabolic or hyperbolic. So type identification, you will get direct question here, very important part. Method of separation of variables is the foundation for these three applications: heat equation, wave equation and Laplace equation. We will cover heat equation in one dimension, then we will go through wave equation, and then we will move towards Laplace equation. So all this will be covered here on YouTube channel as well as on my paid course. Paid course is of course more structured than the YouTube classes. Numerical methods. So numerical methods covers what? Numerical methods covers basics of numerical methods, then numerical methods to solve nonlinear equations. There are four methods which you are going to learn here. Number one, Regula-Falsi method. Number two, bisection method, also called as Bolzano method. Number three, Newton-Raphson method, and number four, secant method. So four methods you are going to cover here. Then you will learn numerical integration. Numerical integration, here you will learn three rules: Simpson's 1/3 rule, Simpson's 3/8 rule, and of course the trapezoidal rule. And of course their theme as well. Then methods to solve differential equations. Here you will learn Euler's forward method, Euler's backward method, Euler's implicit method, Euler's explicit method. Then you will learn Runge-Kutta fourth order method. Yes. And then you will learn Taylor series method. So all this will be covered here. The numerical methods to solve system of linear equations. So we will learn here two methods. Number one is the Jacobi's method, another one is Gauss-Seidel method. Here these two methods are based on the concept of diagonal dominancy, and that I will be going to teach you in my classes, upcoming classes. So numerical methods versus analytical methods. Here we will learn what are the basic difference, why we need numerical methods over analytical methods, and there I will teach you that numerical methods are always subjected to errors. Solution of numerical methods involving some errors. So it will become mandatory for us to learn what are the errors, what are the various types of errors, and how these various types of errors are recorded, that is calculated. So error measurements will be done here. So four types of measurement will be here: error formula, absolute error formula, relative error formula, and percentage error. And types of errors are truncation error, round off error, and of course the human error. All these concepts you are going to cover here. Then Fourier series, recent paper 2023, GATE 2023, I have seen a question in mechanical branch paper, they had got a question from Fourier series. So for EC electrical student this is not a big deal, but for mechanical civil this is again an important topic. You should not skip it out. You have to learn this. So Fourier series covers two types: full range Fourier series and half range Fourier series. In mathematics section we will learn not the exponential Fourier series. This is the message to EC electrical guys. So we will be learning trigonometric format of the Fourier series. Okay, I will give you the formula for Fourier series coefficients. We will particularize our formula, normalize our formula for even and odd periodic functions as well. So everything will be covered regarding Fourier series here. Laplace transform. So this is the topic usually teachers skip while teaching, but I will be teaching you here on my channel as well as in my paid course. So Laplace transform. Definition of Laplace transform will be covered. List of basic formulae. What is this trigonometric conversion? Sometimes the formula is not applicable directly. Sometimes the list of formulae, none of the formula is applicable for a question. So what you need to do? You need to convert the question using trigonometric conversion into such an expression so that Laplace transform formula can be applied. You will learn first shifting property. Then you will also learn the 4 important theorems. What are these 4 important theorems? Laplace transform of multiplication by t, Laplace transform of division by t, Laplace transform of derivative, Laplace transform of integration. Then you will learn Laplace transform of semi-periodic functions. Semi-periodic functions means a periodic function which is either restricted on the right side of 0 or restricted to the left side of 0. Are they periodic? No, they are not periodic. Mind my words, Laplace transform never exists for periodic signals or periodic functions. Laplace transform exists only for semi-periodic functions, and that's why we are having a separate heading over here is Laplace transform of semi-periodic functions. Inverse Laplace transform formula method, and then we'll move towards convolution theorem and partial fraction method. So all this will be covered here. Now student, you may be thinking that I have discussed all this in very short amount of time. 5 मिनट में मैंने इतने सारे टॉपिक्स, इसके पहले कई सारे टॉपिक्स, कई सारे चैप्टर्स के टॉपिक डिस्कस कर लिए. माइंड माय वर्ड्स, आई डू नॉट वांट टू वेस्ट योर टाइम. आई जस्ट वांट टू गिव यू अ जिस्ट ऑफ द एंटायर सिलेबस, and once I will come up with a fresh session, I will definitely teach you some beautiful concept along with some important and beautiful questions. So student, some announcement. I'll repeat that announcement here. If you have any queries, you can just put up in the comment box, and I request all of you who are live here to share about my channel, about my paid platform, about my app with all your friends. Okay, yeah, and that is not a one-way journey. See, sir, you are charging for your course. Yes, I am charging for my course. Sankalp 2025 is the name of the batch we have, as I already told you. But students, what you are giving me as the fees for my course are just the peanuts against what we are delivering you. Okay, so, and believe me, you will not learn seriously if you are not giving the Guru Dakshina. So on YouTube I will be coming up with few sessions whenever I have time. So our upcoming session on YouTube is today evening, and topic and thumbnail everything will be updated in upcoming 2 hours. And student, do present with me on my YouTube channel in today's evening sessions. And today 9 PM we are starting our paid course Sankalp 2025. This course is dedicatedly for engineering maths targeting GATE 2025. Just have a screenshot. This will be helpful for you. So currently the fee for this course is 2400 rupees. It really feels awkward to talk about the fees and money and all to the students, but this should also be clarified at the beginning itself. Students, currently around 37% off is there, and you are getting this course in 1500 rupees. This is the fees that you need to pay. सबसे पहले आपको ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा. First of all, you need to download the app. Name of the app is Ankit Joshi's Maths Manthan. Go to the Play Store. Yes, go to Play Store. there you can search Ankit Joshi Maths Manthan, or if you are the part of my Telegram group, you can find the link of the app there itself. Download the app. If you are facing any issues in downloading this app, immediately you can contact my number. This is my personal number I am writing here, 90497 96996. You can WhatsApp me on this number. So I will help you out. I will help you out with how to download the app, how you can make this payment, everything. Today, 6th November, 9 PM, we are starting the first सेशन. हर दिन 2 घंटे का क्लास होगा. 45 डेज 47 डेज के क्लासेस होंगे, मीन्स 90 आवर्स से 95 आवर्स के बीच का टोटल सेशन होने वाला है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस यू विल गेट क्लासरूम PDF नोट्स, कुछ टेस्ट आपको देने को मिलेंगे. ऑन योर डिमांड आई कैन अरेंज डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस एज वेल. और जो भी आपको पीछे अभी मैंने लिस्ट ऑफ कंटेंट दिखाया था, TOC दिखाया था, टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट, यू विल गेट सेशंस ऑन दोज टॉपिक्स इन मच डिटेल. What is my experience? I taught with almost all the premier institutes in the country. Previously, I was the part of Byju's. Before that, I was the part of Grade Up. Before that, I was the part of ACE Academy Hyderabad. Before that, I was teaching for GATE Forum, the GATE Academy. Yes. So, I have taught in almost all the cities in the country. I am comfortable in teaching in both the languages, Hindi as well as English. Yes, sir. What will be the mode of communication? So, students, I have not particularly logged the language here, because basically we teach in English, but when we see that all the students are comfortable in Hindi, then we go for Hindi. But if I see that the students there are from South India, then we just stuck ourselves only in English language. We just teach only in English language, and we will translate the same in Hindi as well in the same session. So you will not get any troubles. Language will not be bad, mind it. बहुत लंबा experience. I am having a lot of years experience, so you will not get any troubles regarding communication and all. So stay tuned, and all my dear students, हर दिन 2 घंटे का क्लास होगा. Every day you will get a 2 hours class. Sunday will be off for me. I will be taking up YouTube sessions on Sunday, some generic sessions. And if you require, I will arrange some doubt clearing sessions. And students, ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए, संकल्प 2025 पर क्लिक कीजिए. जैसे आप संकल्प 2025 पर क्लिक करेंगे, the rest of the thing it will guide to you. These are the key features already explained. 90+ hours of live class, daily live class, video recording of the lectures will be available. Classroom PDFs you will get, chapter wise test will be arranged, and yes, you will get doubt clearing sessions. So these are the various chapters that we will be covering in engineering maths. Fee for the course, currently it is 1500, which is already a discounted price. And student, this is my Telegram group for engineering maths group YouTube channel, and as well as my app class. For paid class students, we will be having a separate Telegram group in the upcoming days. And this is the download link for the app, and this is your student support number. Along with this, I also shared my personal number with you in the previous slides, and this is the mail ID for student support. So I think students, I am done with the today's session, and thank you so much. Before that, I want to remind you that today 9 PM we are starting our paid course, and today evening 6 PM or 7 PM you will be getting one session on YT, this particular channel. So topic, if you need any particular topic, you can write in the comment box, or else I myself will divide some important topic and bring it for you on this YouTube channel. So thank you students, thank you so much, love you all, take care, stay happy, stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you, all the best.